Russ? Russ? this thing. Well, I'm gonna lift this thing, it's gonna be cast, isn't it?
Make it better.
So the wall has to come in.
Correct. It's got to come in a bunch. So, Russ, come over here with the sledgehammer and just hit it with the sledgehammer, maybe.
Okay. I can do that. You do it. Oh, wall underneath it.
Not just moving back and forth. You're in the bubble, but it could come more in a couple of hits.
So if Doug's flush though, do I want to slide the beam over a little bit?
I don't know.
And then we'll.
I don't know if it's worth the effort. You might try it out. If you've got an inch off here,
Okay.
give it a couple, give it another hit.
If not, we'll have to lower it a little bit. If it's just going back and forth, it means there's enough tension.
Oh, yeah.
Lower it a little bit.
One or two more hits. Look where you are in the bubble. You're in, but you can stand another one.
Well, we're gonna. All right. So is it moving back? Can you pull it in?
I mean, again, you could come in a little side. I guess it's because it's just moving, or?
Yeah. That's what I'm wondering too, because we don't have enough pressure on it.
Yeah. Go check your side over there, Joe. Okay. And if that's the case, we'll just let the pressure down and start.
Good. So we can knock it out maybe a little bit. Oh, wow.
Yeah,
let's
because I'm now
knock that out.
probably, yeah, I'm like 5'8".
Yeah, because remember we had a half inch to play with on each side. So if I knock Doug's wall in, I'll come knock your wall in.
Yeah, once you set it,
Yeah,
you're gonna set it down, pressure off for us, that's on the pressure.
You want the pressure off of it? Well, let me try to knock his
Yeah,
wall
knock
straight.
this, I just pulled the tank flush.
That looked like a dance move, George.
Doug, I'll come to you and we'll get you straight first.
Oops.
How much are we gonna do? So between here and here, how deep is that?
Lean down a little bit. You get the needle.
Okay.
Does he got an inch over there, or has he got 3/4?
He's got 5/8.
Well, I got an inch.
So Doug says he's got an inch gap.
Are you level? Plumb?
And we're plumb, right? You're plumb?
Yeah. Let's do that. Let's get this one plumb, and then we'll take a measurement just to make sure.
Okay. So I gotta knock yours in?
Correct. Knock mine out.
Oh, knock it out?
That guy. Like that. I'm back to where I was. In the bubble.
How about now? In the bubble?
Okay, we can measure off the top. You understand?
Oh, from top to top?
It's a big tape. So right over there.
"36 feet.
36.
Yeah,
It's supposed to be what?
it's 36 feet exactly.
Or was it supposed to be 35?
35.9.
That can't be right because I don't have that much sticking out here.